Okay, welcome back. As an auto electrician, I get asked a lot about these airbag modules from Fiat 500s and Fiat Ducatos with no communication faults and various hard codes, say crash data or bad connection to earth or internal module corrupt and all this nonsense that comes through. This is ever so common. Last week, it was beginning of last week, I sent one off to a company, a very good company. They've got so many to do that I'm waiting now over a week to get mine repaired. So I thought, right, I think it's about time we started repairing these ourselves, the same as the Ford Focus clusters, FRM modules, all this sort of thing, ECUs. So I thought, okay, let's start and get these repaired. Now I know for a fact what goes on these is the crash data. If I can get it to zoom in, crash data is stored on this 95320 chip, and the no communication fault is a blown chip on this Attic 99. This is the tricky one that's got to be removed and a new one fitted. Okay, but on this particular one, this is a test unit. No matter what you do, you have to be able to test the unit when you finished repairing it. So for example, a no comms or something like that, you should have communication with it. So stage one, make up a test lead. So here's our test lead. This is just nothing more than a 120 ohm resistor plugged in. So we've got our test plug. So if I now just take my lead, plug it in, okay, like that, I will turn the power on. And what I want to see is, first of all, the reading there to say that it's actually talking to the ECU, the power is going through it, and I want to see these little lights flashing, which are communication lines. Now, if I bring up my scan tool and I go into, let's have a look, supplementary restraint, let's have a look. This is obviously the stage one. The next stage is to read the chip to get a no comms. So this one is a no comms. This is from a Ducato, slightly different. The APIC 99 is here, and the memory, the chip that stores the crash data is that one there, which is again different. Of course it's different, it's Fiat. Okay, so I'll bring you back when this is starting to communicate. Right, back again. So that takes about 30 seconds. It's just, you know, no point just sitting there waiting for that. So let's just go into read fault codes, DTCs. Now, obviously, this is a test unit, so no faults on it, normal. You could have a B001001, B1002, all this sort of thing, if this was a crash issue. Okay, so that's that sorted out. So that's the test lead. Stage one, test lead to be able to test these airbag modules. If you want the pinouts to be able to make up your own test lead, send me an email, caralarmanradio@gmail.com, and I'll pop you across what you need to do to make up your own test kit. Okay, thank you for watching.